Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to, put your MP3 into flipaclip. So first go to flipaclip, sorry. Wait a second, okay. Make a new project, just customize your project. Name your animation. And then just create project. Sorry, so click that music logo. Yeah, after that, click the plus button. Click the download thing. Make sure you use Wi-Fi, not data, okay? If you use data, it will loading like this, so make sure you use Wi-Fi. Now just watch the ad. Go to your drive, yeah, it automatically did that. Then just go to audio, click the file download, and pick your audio. After that, click something on top of it, I don't know how to say that. Now just drag the clip to anywhere you like, and then voila! Look, it works nicely, right?